behalf of National Action Forum against NMC, we are protesting against the Gazette notification of NMC, National Medical Commission, on 25th September 2020. You know that central government already passed the bill of National Medical Commission on 2019. They have disregarded, denying all the protest from every corner in the country. They denied the protest from the medical students, doctors and professors. We know that the central government also has been passed the National Education Policy 2020. The NMC, National Medical Commission, is nothing but the implementation of the NEP 2020 in the field of medical education. NMC is completely a bureaucratic body. It is a nominated body. They have dissolved the Medical Council of India. After independence, it was formed in 1956, and it was an autonomous body, and it was a body, the members were elected. But in the NMC, most of the members are nominated. That's why we are protesting against the NMC. Again, we are protesting against the NMC because it is completely unscientific, as in NMC they are upholding the pluralism of medical education. What is it? They are implementing Ayush in the MBBS course. They are implementing next examination, by which the final MBBS examination will be useless, and the coaching centers will flourish. In this way, they are completely privatizing or commercializing the medical education. And in NMC, they are abolishing the mandatory screening test of the foreign medical graduate. By this way, the rich people will buy MBBS degree from the foreign country, and they will directly enter into our country as a doctor. We protest community health providers because central government, they treat the rural people as a second-class citizen. So we do not want CHP. So we, the medicos, on behalf of National Action Forum against NMC, we are observing the protest week from 1st October to 7th October throughout the country, and we believe if the people in India, the medicos, vehemently protest against NMC, the government will retreat, because we know in history in our country there are so many incidences that the people's movement, the students' movement, has unsettled the settled fact of the government. So we are very much hopeful we will conquer.